MEP Hire is proud to be part of the VP group of businesses who have developed a wide range of sector-leading specialist rental businesses, servicing a diverse range of end markets in the UK and increasingly internationally. MEP Hire provides mechanical, electrical, press-fitting and low-level access products to the UK construction, fit-out, mechanical and electrical markets. This familiarisation session will focus on the inspection, operation, maintenance and storage of the power towers Pecolift and Ecolift. It will also provide information relating to the hazards, risks, mitigation measures and situational awareness important whilst using the equipment. Viewing this video means you accept responsibility for the safe and proper operation of these machines and that you will comply with all applicable laws and regulations required for their proper use. Power Towers recommends a new user of any mechanical access equipment complete the required theory training and a practical demonstration. The equipment user's employer is legally responsible to ensure employees are competent in the use of the machinery. Both machines are extremely simple to use. Watch as an operative deploys a Pecolift and Ecolift in a safe environment to full working height. So what are the vital statistics? The Pecolift is 985 mm long and 700 mm wide and weighs 180 kilograms. It lifts a maximum of 150 kilograms to a working height of 3.5 meters in just 11 seconds. Its big brother Ecolift is 1.28 meters long and 740 millimeters wide, weighs 305 kilograms and lifts the same 150 kilograms to a working height of 4.2 meters in 15 seconds. Both machines allow the user to stop at any point during upwards travel. The machines may only be used indoors on hard, flat, gradient-free surfaces. Each has a maximum push-pull load of 200 newtons at full height. The Pecolift and Ecolift are certified to meet with regional access equipment standards in every territory they are sold. Section 1. Proof of competence. Operation manual and onboard information. As with all work equipment, you should read and understand the operation manual before using a machine for the first time. This can be found in the machine's document canister or online. Decals on the machine provide valuable operational, safety and emergency rescue information. These are user prompt only, and the operative must be competent in all aspects of the machine's deployment and operation. Pre-use inspection and operating procedures. The Pecolift and Ecolift are subject to an annual maintenance procedure as described in the operation manual. Depending on your jurisdiction, the Pecolift and Ecolift may require regular inspection by an authorized body. Check with local authorities to confirm these inspection requirements. The operation of Pecolift and Ecolift are similar, but there are some inherent differences. The Pecolift work platform is closer to the floor, whilst the Ecolift platform is accessed using a single drop-down step. The Pecolift has an individual saloon door, as opposed to the Ecolift simultaneously opening twin saloon doors. The Pecolift has 3 wheels, 2 fixed wheels and a spring-loaded swivel caster. The Ecolift has 2 fixed wheels and 2 unsprung casters. Pecolift pre-operation inspection. As recommended in the operation manual, operatives must carry out a 360-degree inspection of the machine before use. First, check any required authorized inspection certificate is up to date. Check the operation manual is in the document holder and the rescue tool is present and in good working order. If any of these are not valid or present, the machine should not be used. When inspecting, start at the gates and work anti-clockwise around the machine. Side 1. Push the gate or gates fully open and check they return to closed when released. Visibly inspect the hinges and check the gates will not open outwards. Check the caster wheel is free from damage, the caster lock engages, and the spring is fully functional when a load is applied to the platform. Side 2. Moving right, check the rubber foot is secure and undamaged. Check these side guardrails are secure. Visually inspect the lift drum, but do not operate from outside the machine. Next, check the level indicator body is secure, the glass is not cracked, and there is only one bubble in the oil. Check the harness anchor point is secure. Check the fixed wheel and axle pin are free from damage. Side 3. Facing the mast. Facing the mast, check the rubber bumpers are secure. Check the tool tray is secure. Side 4. Check the fixed wheel and axle pin are free from damage. The side guardrails should be secure. Inspect the lift mechanism drum, but do not operate from outside the machine. Check the rescue tool is in good working order and can be quickly removed from the chassis. Check the rubber foot is secure and undamaged. The Pecolift visual pre-inspection is now complete. Ecolift and Pecolift visual inspection variants. The Ecolift visual inspection is similar to the Pecolift, but there are variations. Check the fold-away step is fully operational and the saloon gates open and close in tandem. The Ecolift has 2 fixed wheels and 2 swivel casters. The Ecolift has an extending rescue tool. Extend the tool fully to confirm it is in good order. Checking the automatic braking system on Ecolift and Pecolift. Prior to performing this test, you should unlock the caster wheel or wheels. On entering the Pecolift's platform, the operator's weight should cause the caster springs to compress, allowing both rubber feet to make contact with the floor. Whilst on the platform, ensure it is fully lowered, then rotate the handle 1 turn only to raise the platform 100 mm. This will lock the fixed wheels. Exit the platform and be aware of the higher step. Hold the guardrail uprights and attempt to push the machine. The wheels should have automatically locked. Re-enter the machine and completely lower the platform. The Ecolift has a higher platform with step access, therefore the automatic brake check must be carried out by 2 operatives. One operative enters the machine and raises the platform, while a second operative confirms the locking pin is engaging. Pecolift and Ecolift operating handle checks. Under no circumstances should these be carried out unless you are stood on the platform. Pull the operating handle towards you and release. The handle knob should spring back to prevent the handle turning. Do not use the machine if the handle knob is damaged or sticking. Pull out the handle and rotate clockwise 2 turns. Let go of the handle and the platform should be secure. Pull out the handle and reverse the rotation 1 full turn and let go. If the platform is secure, the auto-locking system is operational for raising and lowering. A typical pre-use inspection should take the operator no more than 5 minutes to complete. The Pecolift and Ecolift will then be confirmed in good order and safe for use. Section 2. Using Pecolift and Ecolift. A worksite risk assessment must be carried out before work commences. You must have confirmed the machine is in good order, you are authorized to use the equipment, and have a valid permit to work. Check the floor is hard and flat. Unlock the caster wheel or wheels. Move the machine by holding the guardrail uprights next to the platform gates and push or pull. It is important to check the surroundings and to seek assistance for guiding the machine if near sensitive equipment. Be aware the Pecolift and Ecolift are not insulated or earthed, and as such do not provide personal protection from contact or close proximity with a live electrical source. Ensure the machine will not block doors or emergency escape routes without permission, and have a clear procedure to follow in the event of an alarm sounding. Operating the machine at the worksite. The machine should be pushed to the target area, positioned accordingly, and the caster brake or brakes engaged. Ensure rescue is possible from this position. Confirm the machine is level. Look up, down, and around, especially checking overhead and the immediate surroundings for hazards, including conflicting equipment. Enter the platform and raise the machine to the target. Continue to check for conflict and sensitive equipment. On completion of the task, lower and exit the platform, unlock the caster wheel or wheels, and move to the next target. Section 3. Rescuing an incapacitated operative from height. If you attend the scene of an incapacitated machine operator, stop and check the area for personal risk. Ask why is the machine user incapacitated. Shout for help. If safe to do so, locate the emergency lowering tool on the chassis and remove it from its fixings. Stand to the side of the machine, attach the hook end of the emergency lowering tool to the flywheel handle. Depending on the height of the elevated platform, it may be necessary to extend the shaft of the Ecolift rescue tool. Turn the shaft lock anti-clockwise, then extend. Turn clockwise to lock at the desired position. If the hook is difficult to engage, apply pressure to the handle and wiggle the bar from side to side to release. Turn the wheel anti-clockwise to lower the casualty, keeping clear as the platform descends. Important notes: remove the rescue tool before removing the casualty from the platform. Never engage the rescue tool without a load on the platform. Failure to remove the tool may result in an uncontrolled release of the energy in the spring. Section 4. Transportation and storage. In order to avoid damage, the Pecolift and Ecolift must be transported in accordance with the operation manual. Brakes should be applied and the platform lifted to approximately 100 mm when not in use. A padlock may be applied to prevent unauthorized use. Only approved personnel are permitted to lift machines. To move the Pecolift or Ecolift up 1 to 3 steps or over floor obstructions, a bespoke ramp can be supplied. For slopes over 5 degrees, the operator must have assistance and/or mechanical support to ensure the machine is under full control at all times. Refer to the operation manual if the machine is to be moved using a forklift or truck. You should now be familiar with the use of the Pecolift and Ecolift. Remember to consult the operation manual for any further information or contact MEP Hire. Thanks for watching.